Hello, this is Mrs. Mendy, and I'm going to show you how to make a video in Flipgrid if you have not before. Okay, so here I am on your assignment, and I'm just going to click on this logo for Flipgrid, and it's going to take you straight to where you go. Okay, and it's wave and say your name. I did this for period 1, but this goes for whoever. Okay, and I'm going to enter in my supposedly student password. You're going to use just your student ID because I've already put you in. So your student ID will be your password for this. Okay. All right. And in we go. And no, I'm not going to save that. Okay. So here we are. It says wave and say your name. So this is what you're doing. And this is just to kind of see, can you use Flipgrid? And it'll also has the effect of me having the proper pronunciation of your name said by you. Okay, so I'm going to when you're ready, you just click on this button, and I hope I don't look terrible because I didn't check. Let's see, recording a response. And it wants to use your microphone, your camera. Yes, that's fine. Loading, loading, loading. Oh, there I am. Okay. Let's see now. There. Okay. So this is only 15 seconds because all I want you to do is wave and say your name. Okay. So I'm just going to hit this when I'm ready. And here I go. 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm Mrs. Mendy. See, and that's it. Okay, and then next. Yeah, so that was it. Yeah, we don't need to hear that 18 times. And selfie, so it can be like a picture of you that is in there. So let's try that. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Okay. There we go. Oh, that was it, huh? Okay. Uh, let's redo the selfie. Okay, I'll wave because it's like a waving thing. Hi. And I'll look at the camera. Wait a second. Hi. Oh, that looks crazy, but that's what I'm doing. Okay. You can put some other stuff on there. You can explore that if you want. You can put like little stickers and things. Okay. And it uploads the video. And yep. Maybe I'll put Mrs. Mendy so you guys aren't confused. Okay. Oh, capital E. There we go. And submit. Ta-da! And that's all. That's all I'm asking you to do because we're going to use this for discussions and things maybe later. So I just wanted to make sure that you can do it. All right, hit complete and you're all done. And this video is all done too.